Okay, what I'd like you to do is pause the video, give this question a go, and then I'm going to do a solution with you guys. Right, so let's actually analyze this question first before we attempt it. So we've got a flooring company, excellent, I like a flooring company, and for each customer, an estimated price for a new job is given to them. Each job is also given a job ID. So they're given an estimated price and a job ID. The job cost is estimated, also it's calculated based on the length and the width of the room. So we can actually see that already. And they're using a variable called job cost. Now, what do we know to begin with? We know that each customer will receive an estimated price. The variable for this is what we just mentioned, job cost. So the customer over here will receive the job ID, but also they'll receive a job cost. Okay, let's move onwards. The process for calculating price is as follows. The floor area is calculated with 18% additive of wastage. So we need to know the area. In order to work out the area, we need to know the length and the width. So the customer or whoever is working behind the machine will input the customer's name. They'll put the width of the floor as well as the length of the floor. In addition, because it says here each job is given a job ID, we input this brand new job, therefore this is a job ID as well. So you come into my shop, you sit down with me, I get your name, I get the width and length of your room, and I create a job ID for you. This information, the length and the width, is passed to the calculate. We then have job cost. An estimate is then sent to the customer where we've got the job cost, the job ID. What other variable from what we've got already would make sense that we send to the customer? We put on the letter. So we've got a letter, we've got the job cost, we've got the job ID, but what else? Dear, and what do we want here? The customer name. And there we go. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is actually solve this question which has now appeared on the screen. So pause the video, give it a go. Right, so the procedure below is for one of the modules shown on the structure chart, which is calculate jobs. So we're talking about this. So what we need to do is create the code in order to do this, i.e. the header for our procedure. This is done for us already, this calculation which is here and here to work out the discount, etc. So we just need to do the header. This is actually very, very simple. We know it's a procedure, therefore we are not returning anything in terms of via written method. So we need to use a different method to return, because we do need to return a job cost. So if we want to return a value but without using return, so we change the variable in the main code, we need to use by ref. So by reference, we're going to change, well, we're going to be passing in job cost. So we are including the job cost in here, even though it's not being passed in this direction. We're including it so that we can update it in the main code. So by reference, job cost, and the data type, let's go with integer. We can use real as well. By value, length, integer. By value, width, integer. And that is it.